A Varo advance gets denied most often because your account doesn't meet eligibility requirements, your direct deposit history isn't strong enough, or your account activity looks too limited for Varo to approve advances. By the end of this, you'll know exactly why your advance is being denied, how to check your eligibility inside the app, and what actually improves your chances of approval. Start by opening the Varo app and going to the Advanced section. If you see a denial message, it usually means the system has already checked your account and decided you don't currently qualify. Next, check your direct deposit history inside your account. Varo Advance relies heavily on consistent income deposits, not just occasional transfers. If your deposits are irregular or missing, the feature will stay locked. Make sure your paycheck is actually going into your Varo account and not a different bank. Next, review your recent account activity. Accounts with very low activity or limited spending history often get denied because the system can't assess repayment behavior. If your account is new, time is a major factor. Varo typically needs ongoing usage patterns before approving advances. Next, check for any negative balance history or failed transactions. Repeated issues can lower your internal account standing and affect eligibility. If everything looks fine, sign out of the app and sign back in. That refresh can update eligibility status if your account recently changed or if payroll data just posted. Next, make sure your app is fully updated. Outdated versions can sometimes show incorrect eligibility or block access to advanced features. If you recently changed employers, bank details, or payroll timing, your eligibility may reset temporarily while Varo recalculates your income pattern. In that case, continued direct deposits usually restore access over time. Avoid repeatedly applying for advance after being denied. Multiple attempts don't improve approval and can sometimes delay system updates. If you still can't access advance, check your notifications section for any specific account requirements. Varo sometimes lists what is missing, like deposit activity or account verification steps. If nothing changes, contact Varo's support.ai. Give them your account email and a clear description of what the advanced section is showing. To sum it up, check your direct deposit consistency, review account activity, confirm eligibility status, and refresh your app session. Next, focus on building steady deposits into your Varo account before trying again. If this guide helped, like the video, subscribe for more Varo tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and personal finance tips.